Good morning children. Welcome to online classes. In the previous class we have started our new chapter, chapter number 6, which is division. Today we will continue with the chapter, okay? In the last class we have studied about the properties of division. Properties of division. This is just a reminder what we have learned in the last class, okay? What are the properties of division? First of all, this is the sign of division. You all know this is a sign of division. First property of division is whenever a number is divided with 0, any number divided by 0, we will get 0 as the answer. This is the first property, okay? Any number divided with 0, we get 0. Okay, this is the first property. Next is any number divided with 1. Any number divided by 1, we will get same number as the answer. Any number, NO is the short form of number, okay? Any number divided with 1, we get same number. Okay? Now, the third one was a number, if a number is divided by the number itself, what we will get? If a number is divided by the number itself, we will get 1 as the answer. Number divided with itself or same number. A number when it is divided by itself or same number, we get 1 as the answer. Okay. Now, let's recall just what is the first property of division. Any number divided by 0, we will get 0 as the answer. Any number divided by 1, we will get 1 as the answer. Any number divided by 1, we will get same number, okay? And a number when it is divided by a number itself, same number, we will get answer as 1, okay? So now in the last class exercise number 6.1 was completed. Today we will start 6.2. Exercise number 6.2. Exercise number 6.2. This is the fill in the blanks, okay? Based on the properties. Dash. Number 4 is 8 divided with 1 is equals to dash. Number 5, 0 divided by 8 is equals to dash. 6 is 0 divided by 5 is equals to dash. Divided by 18 is equals to dash. 0 divided with 18 is equals to dash. 0 divided by 10 is equals to dash. Number 10 is 6 divided with 6 is equals to dash. 11, 21 divided by dash is equals to 1. Number 12 is dash divided by 16 is equals to 1. So, this is your exercise number 6.2. Fill in the boxes, okay? Just now we have learned about the properties of division. So, first one is 7 divided by 1. Any number divided by 1, we will get same number as the answer. 0 divided by 19. Any number divided by 0, we will get 0 as the answer. 16 divided by 1, we will get 16. 8 divided by 1, we will get 8. 0 divided by 8, 0. 0 divided by 5, 0. Because any number, when it is divisible by 0, we will get 0 as the answer. Same number divided by same number. A number divided by number itself, we will get 1 as the answer, okay? Now, 0 divided by 18 is 0. 0 divided by 10 will be 0. 6 divided by 6 will be 1. 21 divided by dash is equals to 1. When we are getting 1, when a number is divided by the same number. Okay, here also 16 divided by dash is equals to 1. When we will get 1? Whenever the same number is divided by the same number, then we will get as a 1 as the answer. Okay. So now this is your 6.2. We will start 6.3. Before starting the exercise, I will explain the topic. Okay. 6.3. In this exercise, we will learn division by long division method. What do you mean by long division method? Long division method. What is long division method? Suppose, for example, first one is 84 divided by 4. We have to divide this by long division method. Okay. So, in the last class, I have told you what is dividend, what is divisor. The number which is divided is known as dividend. By the number which we divide is known as divisor. Okay. So, we will write here 4 is a divisor and 84 is the dividend. First, we will see one by one number. 8. In the table of 4, 8 comes. 4 के टेबल में 8 आता है. We will start the table. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Yes, 4 2s are 8. We will subtract. 8 minus 8 will be 0. We will note down the next one. Okay, 4. In the table of 4 comes. Yes, 4 1s are 4. 4 minus 4 will be 0. The number completely divided. The method of the division, this type of method is known as long division method. Okay, now we will see how we will check it also. Okay, first we will see what are the dividend, divisor, quotient and remainder. 4 terms are there: dividend, divisor, quotient and remainder. See, in the quotient only dividend and divisor comes. Okay, the number which is divided, जो number जिसको हमें divide करना है उसे क्या बोला जाता है? Dividend. The number which is divided is known as dividend. The number by which we are dividing, जिस number से हम divide कर रहे हैं उसे divisor बोला जाता है. ठीक है. So the number which is divided is known as dividend. So here in this question dividend is 84 and the number by which it is divided is known as divisor. Divisor is 4. To solve, and after dividing whatever the comes in the top or in the right side, this is the quotient. Okay, this is known as quotient. इसे क्या बोला जाता है? Quotient. In this quotient is 21. And whatever the left out after dividing, divide करने के बाद जो भी बच जाता है, the left out is known as remainder. R stands for remainder. So in this question the remainder is 0. Okay, this much you understood. Now see how we will check. For checking one formula is there. Okay, dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Okay, this is the formula for checking. When we are dividing, we have to verify the answer. For verifying, this is the formula. I am rubbing this division part. Okay, details we are having for that question. What is dividend? Dividend is 84. So we will write in place of dividend 84. Dividend की जगह हमने dividend को लिख दिया. What is divisor? Divisor is 4. We will write here 4. What is quotient? Multiply sign. Quotient is 21. Then what is remainder? Remainder is 0. Plus sign 0. Whenever we are solving this type of question, in the earlier classes I have told you this rule, BODMAS rule. Bracket and off, this is not necessary for now, but for this, D stand for division, M stand for multiplication, A is for addition and S is for subtraction. Okay. So whenever we are solving this question, we always follow these rules. Okay. Understood? Now, first is division. Division part is not here. Then multiplication. Multiplication is there. So you will multiply first. पहले multiply करेंगे 21 into 4. You will do it in rough. Okay. 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. 84 plus 0. And here also we will write 84. 84 plus 0 is 84. Both the answers are same. So we will write here LHS is equals to RHS. Now what do you mean by LHS and RHS? LHS is left hand side. RHS is right hand side. Okay. So when these two becomes equal, it means that your division is accurate, your division is correct. If these two are not equal, means there is some mistake, your division is not accurate. Okay. So with this example, what we have learned? We have learned long division method. We know the terms. हमें क्या क्या पता चला इस एग्जाम्पल से? हमने डिवाइड करना सीख गए हम लॉन्ग डिविजन मेथड से. हमें इन टर्म्स की वैल्यूज पता चल गई कि डिविडेंड किसे बोलते हैं, डिविजर किसे बोलते हैं, कोशेंट और रिमाइंडर. ओके. So what we came to know after solving this question, how we will divide by long division method, what is dividend, what is divisor, quotient, remainder, and then another topic for checking, for verifying the answer, what you have to do. Okay, this is the formula, this you have to remind. Dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. When both the sides comes equal, means your division is accurate. When both the sides are not equal, means that is your division is not accurate. Okay. Now we will start our exercise number 6.3. Now let us see what are the questions in exercise number 6.3. Exercise number 6.3. First question is choose the correct option. First is MCQ. Choose the correct options. A part. First one is 400 divided with 4. So in maths, very important thing that you should do your rough work. Okay. 400 divided by 4, we will solve in rough. 4 divided with 400. So in table of 4, 4 comes, 4 ones are 4. Minus it, 0 or cross. Then we will note down the next number. 4 zeros are 0. Next number 0, 0. Minus it. So what answer comes? 100. So 100 is given in option number B. So in first question the correct answer is 100 given in option number B. So you will tick option number B. Number 2. Second is 832 divided with 8. What is this? Okay, we will do in our rough work. 832 divided with 8. So in the table of 8, 8 comes, 8 ones are 8, subtract 0. Next number you note down 3. In the table of 3 comes, no, 1 is the smaller number. 8 के टेबल में सबसे छोटा 1 होता है, तो 8 ones are 8 हो गया. 3 उससे छोटा है तो हम क्या लेंगे? 0. We will take 0. 8 zeros are 0. 3 minus 0 is 3. Then we will note down the next number. Now, in the table of 8, 32 comes. Yes, 8 fours are 32. Cut it. What is the answer? Answer is 104, which is given in option number D, 104. Next, number 3. What is number 3? On dividing 999 by 9, the quotient obtained is, by dividing 999 by 9, what we get? So we will see in our rough column. We will divide and find it out, okay? So 9 divided with 999. 999 divided by 9. 9 ones are 9 minus 0. Second also 9. 9 ones are 9 minus it 0. 9. 9 ones are 9. Okay, so what is the answer? Answer is 111. So it is given in option number B, 111. So you will take that options. Okay. Now number 4th. What is number 4th? When 205 is divided by 5. 205 divided with 5. What we get? What we get when we divide 205 by 5? Let us see here. 205. In the table of 5, 2 comes? No. Then we will take 2-digit number. 20? Yes. 5 4s are 20. Minus it. 5. 5 1s are 5. So what is the answer? Answer is 41. It is given in option number A. So you will take option number A, that is 41. Okay. Now next is number 5. What is question number 5? Number 5 is on dividing 637 by 7. We will see here 7 with 637. In the table of 763 comes? Yes. 7 9s are 63. Minus it 0 7. 7 1s are 7. So what is the answer? Answer is 91, which is given in option number C. You will take option number C, 91. Okay. Number 6 is in a division. 168 divided by 4 is equals to 42. So what question is asked? The dividend is. What is dividend in this question? The dividend is 168, which is given in option number D, 168. So you will take option number D. Number 7th. In a division, 981 divided with 9 is equals to 109. In this question, what is asked? Divisor. What is divisor in this question? What is divisor? 9. So 9 is given in option number A. So you will take option number A, 9. Okay. Now next one is number 8. Next question is question number 8. In a division, 126 divided with 6 is equals to 21. What you have to find it out? Remainder. What is remainder in this question? So what is the remainder in this question? Remainder is equals to, we will divide and find it out first. Okay. 126. 6 2s are 12. 6 1s are 6. What is left out? Remainder means left out. Nothing means 0. So what is remainder in this question? 0. It is given in option number C. So you will take option number C there. Okay. Now next is question number 2. Divide the following and verify the answer. Question number 2. Divide the following and verify the answer. You have to divide and verify. Okay. So first one is 486 divided with 2. Our first question is 486 divided with 2. First we will divide and then we will verify. Okay. See how we will divide. 486. In table of 2, 4 comes. 2 2s are 4. 8. 2 4s are 8. 6. 2 3s are 6. Okay. So the division complete. So we will write here the terms. What is dividend? Divisor quotient and remainder. What is dividend in this question? 486. Divisor is 2. Quotient is 243. Remainder is 0. Okay. Now verifying. For verify we will write the formula first. Verify. Dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Okay. So what is the dividend in this question? 486 is equals to divisor is 2 into quotient is 243 plus 0. So first we will multiply this. Okay. 243 into 2. 2 3s are 6. 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4. 486. 486 plus 0 is equals to 486. Here also 486. So LHS is equals to RHS. Okay, means our division is completed. First we will divide like this, then we will write the terms, and then we will verify by writing the formulas. Okay. Now moving on to question number 2. Next question is, what is our next question? Next question is 900 divided with 3. Question number 2 is 900 divided with 3. Number 2 is 900 divided with 3. First we will divide and then we will verify. 3 with 900. Okay. 3 3s are 9. Minus it 0 0. 3 zeros are 0. Minus it again 0. 3 zeros are 0. Okay. Now first we will write the terms. Dividend, divisor, quotient, remainder. Dividend is 900. Divisor is 3. Quotient is 300 and remainder is 0. Then for verifying we will write the formula. Verify dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. What is dividend? 900. Divisor is 3 into quotient is 300 plus remainder is 0. By the rule first we will multiply. 300 into 3. 3 zeros are 0, 3 zeros are 0, 3 3s are 9. 900. Okay. So we will write here 900 plus 0 is equals to 900. Here is also 900. So LHS is equals to RHS. So it means that our division is correct. So in this way you will try to solve the rest of the question. I will explain in the next class. Thank you. We will meet in our next class.